Never Stop Learning, week 197. We're going to take a quick look at the package feature in Adobe Illustrator CC 2014. Alright, so this feature was introduced in CS6, but I'm running CC 2014, so we're going to run through it in here. Alright, a couple weeks ago we were talking about outline text versus live text. If I select these guys over here on the left, you're going to see that this is all made up of anchor points and paths, so Adobe Illustrator just sees this as shapes. Over here on the right, we got live text, so we could actually edit this. If I were to double click on this, I can make some changes over here to the message, and I could even choose a different font. So the one on the left, I would send that off to my printer, and the one I have selected over here, this one I would keep as an archive. Let's take a look over here in the characters panel. If you take a look right in here, you see that we're using the yard sale font for the design, and now I'm going to select the information text, and that one shows that it's microgramma. Well, if I would like to send off this file to somebody on my team so they can make some edits, or maybe I want to archive this so I could edit it in the future, well, I want to bring along those fonts so I could do that and I could see it on my machine. So that's where the package feature comes in. All right, so let's come over here to the file menu, scroll down till we find package, and we also have a keyboard shortcut of Command Shift Option P. Clicking on that is going to launch the package feature. Over here at the top, it shows the location where we're going to save this new package. Over here on the left, if you click on the folder, you could choose a new location for that package. I'm going to hit cancel to get out of this. Next, it says folder name. So if you want to give it a completely different name, this is where you would do it. Currently, what it's doing is it's using the document name underscore, then it says folder. All right, next we're going to come over here to the options section. I already have this guy checked right here where it says copy links. So if we want to copy the links, you want to make sure that you have this guy checked. And we also have some sub options for this. All right, if I have this guy checked, it's going to collect links in a separate folder. So that's going to help me keep everything nice and neat. Now, if I want to relink linked files to the document, I want to make sure I have this guy checked. Well, I don't have any links in here, but I could leave it checked anyway, or I could uncheck it, no big deal. Next, it says copy fonts used in the document. It also says except for the Chinese fonts, the Japanese fonts, the Korean fonts, and the typekit fonts. So if I don't want to copy the fonts, I'll uncheck that, but those are really important to me, so I want to bring those along. Last, we have this guy right here. It says create report. Now the report's kind of like a receipt showing you what's inside of that package. All right, if I want to cancel out, I'm going to click on this button right over here, but instead I want to run this, so I'm going to click on package. All right, this is a pretty important window right here. This is going to talk about your license agreement for your font, so you want to make sure that you read this. I'm going to click OK to continue. If you want to back out, just click on back. All right, over here it says package was created successfully, so that's great. Now to view the package contents, click on show package button. Now if you don't want to see this window anymore, just click right here where it says don't show again, but I'm going to leave mine unchecked. All right, show package is going to show you what's inside of that package. If I take a look over here in the Finder, it's showing me this is my week 197 folder, and this is what it generated. This is the original document right over here, and this is the folder. Inside that folder, we have a new copy of that document. We also have the Sews Your Face report. So let me double click on that and show you what that is. It's a TXT file, and it's giving you the information of the document, like maybe the name of it, what color mode you used, and stuff like that. If you keep going on here, you're going to see whatever spot colors were used, and it's going to give you some of the font information. Right over here, it shows you those fonts we were talking about earlier. We have microgramma and yard sale. Now, if we were dealing with the links, you would find the linked information right over here. All right, so I'm going to quit this guy. All right, next we have fonts. If I double click on this, it's showing us the actual font file. So that's microgramma, and here's yard sale. All right, so there you have it, folks. That's the package feature in Adobe Illustrator CC 2014.